Hello guys, today we'll be covering Practice It, exercise 8.7, add time span. The problem reads, add the following method to the time span class, public void add time span span. And this class is supposed to add the given amount of time to this time span. And this was the code of the time span from the earlier in the chapter. So we just need to add the hours and the minutes in this case. So we'll start by adding the method. So public void add time span, and then we'll add the curly braces. Okay, and then this is pretty simple. So we just need to add the time variables to the time span. So we'll just say add, and we'll say span.hours because in this class, the span is what is given to us. So span.hours and then comma. So we're not going to put plus because we already said add in front. And then we're going to say span.minutes. And then, yeah, so this is pretty much it. Again, we're taking the span of the time span class, and then we're just going to add the hours and the minutes together. So if we submit that, yes, so all the time and all the test cases were passed correctly, so we did do the problem correctly. So that's all for Practice It, exercise 8.7, add time span, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.